All right, during our commercial break, we had two new severe thunderstorm warnings issued on the east side of Tulsa and near the McAllister area. So both of these storms are quite intense at this time, so they're at severe limits. Let's go to the one in Tulsa first, and that's the one Brandon is located on at this time, just west of Inola and just around the Tiowa area. This is the main part of the storm that came out of Broken Arrow. It's moving to the northeast. This is now a severe thunderstorm warning till 5:45. Let's go to Brandon for a quick update. Brandon, what are you seeing with this?
Well, Travis, we were sitting there at the gas station here in Inola on 412. We're moving east, but as we were sitting there, we saw a lot of low-hanging, ragtag, scary-looking clouds. Nothing was rotating at the time that we were sitting there, but it's very ominous looking. It definitely bears watching. Back to you.
All right, thanks. I appreciate that. And so again, pretty intense thunderstorm right now, Gregory Circle area, and then from around the Gregory area, east of Fair Oaks now, and then McFarland heading back to the northeast. So Tiowa has a heavy cell, and then this is where our hail core would be, extending back to the south. Low clouds, as he said, so be advised. Severe thunderstorm warning till 5:45. The other storm is further to the south. This one is one we're a little bit more concerned with, or a little bit more at least aware of, because this cell is pretty intense right now, just around the McAllister area. This continues to track to the northeast. Sequoia is on a main part of a cell near Shakota, which is pretty intense. It's not severe. This is a severe thunderstorm that'll go until 6 o'clock tonight. Main part of this storm at this particular moment is mainly just west of the McAllister area, just right along 270 and just north of 270, extending on up to around the Scipio area. A lot of turbulence with this storm. In fact, we're showing rotation right just west of McAllister at this moment on 270. So that's not too far from the turnpike. And so if you're right in this area, we do want you to be advised. So here's our circulation feature going on right now. This is going to be tracking northeast. Again, we have a tornado watch. In fact, that's why we're being very cautious about this, because there is a chance that we could end up with some wind damage or isolated tornado here. So this is indicating to us a circulating feature. So that's moved up to the north a little bit. And you can see that that continues to move to the northeast around the Mecco area, and then also around highway about, I would say, anywhere from Indian Nation's Turnpike to right around, I would say, just west of US 169, I should say, not 169. So this would be the concern right in here in this rural area. So if you are in this area, it is a severe thunderstorm warning, but we do have the potential for wind damage with this, as most severe thunderstorms would. And a hail core also is associated with this, with hail up to the size of quarters. So just be advised, tremendous amount of lightning with this. So this storm is really rapidly amped up considerably. Stacia has the latest storm track right now, and you see we're talking about around the Indianola area around 527, Crowder at 529, Canadian coming up at 534. So this could rapidly change. That's why if you're in this area, just be advised. So the other one is to the east of Tulsa, and then this one's to the southeast. These cells will continue to track to the northeast. Sequoia is also watching what's happening with the particular cell that's just on the I-40 area, and we'll continue to watch what's going on with the cell to the north. More on the weather coming up a little bit. Back to you.